Kai? A car. Say hi, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, hey girl, welcome back. We are on our way to Burlington for some shopping, you guys. I'm so excited. It is Sunday. Happy Sunday. And I'm starting this vlog right now. We woke up early and we're like, let's go do some shopping for some things that, you know, I need. On our way, and there's Kai. Hi, Kai. Hi, good morning.
Daddy?
And Daddy. My cameraman, you guys. That. Look, Mac. He calls him Mac, you guys, because of the movie Cars with Lightning McQueen, and Mac is his driver. He loves that. So now, Mac. He's totally into that. And I'm like, how cool when he realizes his daddy drives one. He needs to see that, right? They ready.
It's already bad.
It's Burlington, babe. It's gonna be bad. I really wanted to come look for like a coat or like a jacket or something, because it's starting to get cold and your girl has something but like little sweatshirt. So I'm like, I need to get me, look at this, a puzzle pack with Bluey and maybe go a little smaller. Like every coat I put on is amazing, and I feel like you need it for like, you need a leather jacket for like going out, and you need like this to be inside the house. I don't know. Like, that's what I'm saying. How am I supposed to think of? What do you think about this? You like it? This, I just thought it was so pretty. It has all the Disney princesses on it. It's childish, maybe, but I like it. So you guys, we just got back from Burlington and we're hungry, so I'm about to make us some quick lunch. I think I'm gonna make some fried rice and just some chicken from last night, left it over. Basically, change up last night's leftovers. I have my leftover rice from last night. I just put it in this bowl, packed down. So we want it to be like really nice and cold. And usually I would like shred carrot in there, but I don't have any. All I have are these like little carrot sticks. So I'm gonna chop them up, add that in, add some broccoli, green onions, garlic. Really, you can add anything you want to your fried rice. And then this is a chicken I made yesterday that basically burned. Alright guys, so the first thing that I like to do is add in some olive oil to the pan that I'm gonna saute all the veggies. And now I'm gonna add in all my veggies. And chopped garlic, chopped ginger, and carrot, broccoli, all that yummy stuff. salt and soy sauce. So just like a tiny amount because this is already salty. So you're just gonna pour it in. In a video where there's a lady, she says that she likes to add in a little bit of sugar to the fried rice, and I started doing that, and I noticed that Kai and Philip always compliment it whenever I do add it, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in. And yes guys, Kai compliments my cooking too. Sometimes he'll be like, good, and when he does that, it melts my heart. And then another thing I like to add in is some garlic powder. And that is my quick, easy fried rice. Just quick little lunch, you guys. Super good. And I always change up the I always change up the vegetables for whatever veggies I have on hand, and then I always like to top it off with a leftover green onions. I was gonna show y'all like how cute it looks, but honestly my food does not look cute. Like, it does not look appealing right now, but it tastes good. Alright you guys, I already finished eating my lunch and my house is still a mess. And I was gonna clean it up and then figure out what to film, but then I decided, why not film me cleaning my messy house, right? I really need to clean the stove because it's a freaking mess. A mess, let me tell you. And then I also just got this in the mail. I ordered it from Target. I love this cleaner. It's the Method heavy duty degreaser. Highly recommend this. I love to use this all over my stove. It just breaks up all that grease. So I'm gonna do a deep clean of the stove using this, and I gotta wash dishes and basically clean all that mess behind me and all this mess. So I think I'm gonna put my hair up and just chill and clean and have you guys clean with me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and let's start cleaning. So you guys, I gotta go do laundry. I literally have like 4 buckets of laundry that I need to fold. So I'm like, let me just do this bucket. That way I'll have 5 and that's gonna be my evening. Pause real quick. Amazon just delivered and I'm hoping it is the magic erasers I ordered so I can clean the walls, because I was having a hard time finding them for some reason, and I got them on Amazon, but then they also took a while to deliver them to me. So weird, but let's go check if it's what I think it is. So let's see if it's what I ordered. should be, right? Then I also ordered some stuff for Latina Picosa, so it could be either or. Oh, they actually sent everything. Nice. Got my stuff. My little containers that I use for my chamoy and my gummies. So that's where I buy mine on Amazon. So. And more of the gloves that I also like to use whenever I'm working. And the Mr. Clean eraser. So I'm going to start cleaning the walls right now too with you guys. And then a workout set. So these are going to be so good to clean the walls and like the what is it called? The little boards at the bottom, the little frames. So I'm going to finish cleaning the kitchen. I'm almost done with the stove. And then we'll move on to the dishes and then the walls. So. Malachi wants a... What do you want, baby?
Smoothie.
A smoothie? He wants a smoothie. Here you go. What are we gonna add?
Banana.
Bananas.
Airplane.
Oh, he hears an airplane outside. do we make? Trying to find what to watch on Netflix, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys are watching. I kind of want to put Manifest because everyone says that that show's really good. What do you think? When a plane mysteriously lands years after takeoff, the people on board return to a world that has moved on without them. Manifest, guys. What do you think about that?